Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, we're joined by Manuel from Sneakers and Lifestyle. Tama ba?
Lifestyles and Sneakers.
Lifestyles and Sneakers, balik that. So he's a YouTuber as well as a Filipino living in Malaysia.
Yes.
So baka gusto mo plug channel mo sandali.
Yeah, guys, so please follow us. The name of our channel is Lifestyles and Sneakers. And on IG, you can also follow us at Lifestyles and Sneaker. Walang S.
Yes. So you can find the links to both of his accounts in the description box and in the comment section down below. He also has a special announcement later for a giveaway that he's currently working on, but I'll also help him push it out because he's going to give away 6
Air Jordans.
6 Air Jordans. That's a lot of shoes. But anyway, so let's get to the main event of this video. Today we're going to unbox or jointly unbox a sneaker. This is something that I actually bought from Shoe Freak PH. He's my favorite reseller. Instagram seller of shoes. Wow. Now, you were mentioning earlier that you like the RS-X silhouette of PUMA. Why?
I really love it because it's very comfortable and it's easy to wear, you know. And then the colors are all like popping, and it's really nice to show off, you know.
Yeah, on that point, it's a fantastic accent. Exactly. Let's say you do an all-black look or neutral jeans and white shirt or black shirt. It really gives that pop.
Exactly.
So that's the reason why I actually picked up this shoe. This is the collaboration between PUMA and MTV. I actually showed you guys this one when I was in Singapore over at JD Sports. If you guys haven't, by the way, seen my Singapore shopping series yet, I will put a link down below to the entire playlist. Please do binge watch it, all the episodes if you guys haven't yet. So game, unbox na natin.
Okay,
so,
let's go.
I'll take it out of the box and let me know what you think, okay? So guys, as you can see, it comes in this white box with flashes of, I don't know if it's like jade or mint green.
Like mint green and then light pink.
Some sort of baby pink color. Yeah. And then you have, of course, the PUMA logo and the MTV logo over here. Sa mga ka-generation ko dyan ng MTV.
Actually,
diba? May vibe siya na aking childhood. Okay, so let's just pop the box open. So you have the tissue paper, which also has PUMA and MTV on it. And then we get to the actual,
Wow!
Boom! So this is it, guys. This is the PUMA RS-X MTV. So, bro, what do you think?
Wow, it really looks nice.
Bagay sa ano ko.
Yeah nga, bagay.
Pero Adidas na.
Sobrang ganda. Honestly, I don't like green, pero itong green na to parang napaka light, parang easy to wear, you know. Yeah. Pag naka all black ka tapos ito lang, sobrang ganda. Then yung MTV logo.
Okay, I agree with you. I like the shade of green that they used. I think the usual green is the dark green.
Yes.
Diba? Which a lot of shoe manufacturers and brands use. I love the mint green effect, especially since it gives a lot of nice contrast to the black.
And then your accent also, the purple, light
here.
Purple or lavender color, right?
Yeah. Actually, style ni ni RS-X, they always want to put like one loud color on the shoe to give it a little more pop.
Yeah.
Now, apart from that, of course, in terms of branding, you have the PUMA logo and the MTV logo at the thumb tab, which looks really nice. So, diba? Angas tingnan, no? And then you have again the MTV logo here at the lateral side of the shoe.
Yes.
So you mentioned earlier that you have like a couple.
Yeah, I have actually 3 of them. But
which models you?
I have the red, yellow, and blue. The first one.
Sa toys.
The 2, actually 3 toys. Yung tatlong toys meron ako. Yung light green din, parang lighter shade ng green dito. Tapos yung green, which I think you also have.
Yeah, that one I bought from Japan. So plug ulit, if you guys haven't seen the Japan sneaker shopping series yet, link down below.
Yeah, and then the last one that I bought is the first one that I bought is the first one that they released, the toys.
The OG color. That one I really wanted to buy, but I couldn't find it in my size all over Japan.
Talaga? Wala na.
Bad trip. And then,
dahil malilit mga paa.
Yeah. And the problem is sizing kasi usually I am a size 12, which is already hard enough to get. For the RS-X, it runs a bit small, so I have to go like a full size up because I have wide feet. So I have to look for size 13,
which is
really hard to get. Yeah, unless you live in the US or in Europe or Canada where people have big feet. Like, siguro doon ako nakatira, wala na ako pera.
Ubus na.
May dalawa akong may dalawa akong pinapasalamatan ko dahil feeling ko if those happen to me, I'd be bankrupt. Number one, I'm thankful that I'm a bit of a big guy, which means I can't buy a lot of the clothes that are really expensive. Feeling ko kung payat ako, ang dami kong biniling Supreme at wala na ako pera. Number two, I'm kind of happy that I have big feet because a lot of the shoes that alam mo yung trigger, pag nakita mo, I wanna buy that. Pero fortunately, they don't have my size. Pwede din.
So, mas madaling may dahilan para magbili.
Oh, tsaka alam mo, having big feet in the Philippines and in Asia is a good excuse to window shop. Kasi for some people, they feel parang nahihiya to enter a store and not buy anything.
Exactly.
Ako style ko dyan, pasok. Do you have this in size? Pagkatas ko tingnan, do you have this in size 13? So yun lang, wala. Ay, thank you. Hindi na ako hiya. Sila pa yung nahiya sa akin.
Ay, wala kami na.
It's okay. So,
Gandang excuse.
Diba? So back to the shoe.
Yeah.
So you mentioned that you have like 4, right? So how is the RS-X for you on feet?
It feels good, you know. It's very comfortable. It's almost like the Yeezy 700s. The feel is almost. It's not exactly because I think the Yeezy 700s have more cushioning, pero the RS-X is very close to
in terms of comfort.
In terms of comfort, actually, it's one of my beaters.
In Malaysia.
In Malaysia, I always wear them during the weekends when I go out. So
and again, it's that nice pop of color that gives a very relaxed vibe.
Exactly.
Diba? That I think you get with the RS-X.
Actually, takaw-tikin siya ng mga tao.
Exactly.
Every time I walk, people will stare at my.
Especially if you wear the OG, the bold colors of the red, yellow, white, and blue.
Because I bought it when it was first released. So wala pa. I think sa Philippines wala pang may ganun. Yung time na yun, nung nakuha ko siya. And then, even sa malls, like parang, what's that shoe? Parang people will ask me. Sabi ko, it's Puma.
And the great thing about it is not overpriced.
Exactly. Sobrang cheap.
Diba? So you can, I think this is a good lesson of being able to buy really good hype-worthy shoes and head-turning shoes without going overboard with how much you're spending.
Exactly. Sobra siyang underrated.
Agree.
Sobrang underrated.
Huge fan of the RS-X, guys. Huge fan.
Even resale, hindi siya ganun kamahal. So, sobrang ganda and sobrang sulit.
Actually, when I came, I came from Singapore. The Thunder Spectras, which are also nice, they were already selling at the what do you call this, outlet store.
Talaga?
Yeah, selling for less than 5,000 pesos in the outlet store. So, alam mo yun, that's not a bad thing. But anyway, so guys, that's our unboxing and initial review. I haven't put it on feet yet, but that's the initial review of the first look of the PUMA MTV RS-X. So bro, you mentioned that you had like a giveaway that'll help push.
Yes. Thank you.
Baka you wanna share with them what that giveaway is.
First of all, I want to thank Boss Carlo for the opportunity to be here in the vlog. So actually, he inspired me to be a YouTuber. So big thanks to you.
Salamat.
And regarding the giveaway, we have actually 6 Air Jordans that will be 6. Yes, we have the Air Jordan Low IE in Crocs colorway. And then we also have the Jordan 4 Black Lacer.
Nice.
Then we're also giving away the Jordan 12 Chinese New Year.
Oh, that's a nice shoe. That's a really nice shoe.
Then the fourth one is the Defiant Couture.
Parang konti lang may gusto nun.
Tayong dalawa.
Oh, I really like that shoe.
Me also. Pero since I love you guys, I'm willing to give it away. So then the fourth one is the OG Infrared 6.
Oh, not bad.
And then the last one will be the Concords, of course, the grills.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, guys, so if you want to hear more about the mechanics on how to join, ano nga ba?
I'll be releasing the videos of each of these sneakers on my channel. So please support us and watch our video, and then I'll be putting all the mechanics there.
Okay, guys, so check out this channel. The link again can be found down below. Those are 6 Jordan sneakers that you guys can end up winning. And maybe on a last note before we end the vlog, I am thinking of going to Malaysia because he lives in Malaysia. So at least I have somebody to show me around. So let me know what you guys think. Should I be going to Malaysia soon? Because we already did like Singapore, Taiwan, and Japan. I was initially thinking of Hong Kong, but I'm starting to think of going to Malaysia instead. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Diba?
Okay.
And lastly, pinakalas na talaga, to all the Filipinos watching, please do support local or Filipino YouTubers like us, diba? Like Manuel and a lot of the other guys out there. You have sila Fresh, You have sila Jonas, of course, si DJ Big Boy Cheng. It really helps build like the YouTube sneaker community.
Exactly.
Diba? Our goal is to have a lot of us doing content like this for you guys, in the same time for us to really help build the sneaker culture
here
not in a snobbish way.
Yes, exactly.
ayoko yung pag sabi mong culture tas medyo snobbish, diba? Parang hindi ko feel yun, hindi ko vibe yun. But anyway, that's it for now, guys. May last words ka ba? O okay na?
Wala naman, but just again, I want to thank you for this opportunity, and hopefully I'll see you in my videos.
Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.